Hi friends, this is Kat with Keep Your Twin Up. And in one of my previous videos, I showed you how to make shredded chicken in the Instant Pot. Today we're going to use some of that chicken to make easy chicken pesto sliders. The first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 350. Now you're going to spray your pans down with some cooking spray. Next, you're going to get out your slider rolls or mini buns. I actually like to use Hawaiian rolls, but this is what they had at my local grocery store for today. These are just fine too. So you're going to take the bottom parts of all your rolls, place them in the bottom of the pan. Today, I'm actually going to make 2 pans, and I'm going to mix it up a little bit. One is going to have shredded mozzarella cheese, and the other one, I had them cut up some pepper jack cheese from the deli for me. So that'll be on the second one. I really like pepper jack cheese a lot. Mozzarella cheese is probably the best thing to go with the chicken. I think this will be good too. Then you need some mayonnaise, and I don't measure out any of this. I'm just going to use my own judgment. Spread some on the bottom buns in each pan. I'm actually a Miracle Whip girl, but my husband really likes real mayonnaise, so that's what we're using today. Now we're going to get our chicken out. Kind of throw some around on there. Yummy, yummy. Now it's time for the pesto. Put a little bit. time for my favorite part, the cheese. So you're gonna take your pepper jack cheese or whichever cheese you get and spread it out like that. Typically you would put one slice over each individual bun, but I had it cut at the deli and I came up one short, so we'll kind of just makeshift it a little bit. But you'll want about 12 slices if you have 12 buns on there. Then for the next one, sprinkle some mozzarella cheese on. Don't get too crazy, but I love my cheese. Like I said before, I don't really measure out a lot of this stuff. Just kind of use my own judgment. I like it to be cheesy. A little bit more. And it's time to put the tops on. It's all arranged in there. Now, I'm going to take 4 tablespoons of melted butter. You only need 2 per pan. And I'm going to take the rest of the pesto, spoon a little in there. Kind of mix it up with the melted butter. And for the finishing touches, just going to brush a little bit on top of each bun. Now they are ready to go in the oven. So we're going to take some tin foil, cover them up. Now that they're ready to go, I'm going to place them in the oven for 10 minutes. All right, so my timer went off. I'm going to remove the tin foil. Put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. Alrighty, now they are done. They look delicious and they are ready to serve once they cool down a little bit for the boys. What do you think, guys?
Yeah.
I think sliders make the perfect meal for little toddlers because they're just bite-sized sandwiches that are perfect for them. Thank you so much for watching today. If you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe below.